Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to the, I think, 16th edition of these Lunar Surface Science workshops. Tim Glotch and I'm Jose Hurtado. We are the conveners of this workshop for today. We have two early career facilitators, Gavin Tolometti and Tara Sweeney, who will be assisting us today and helping us run the breakout sessions at the end of the day. So the title of this workshop is Assessing the Value of Modern Field Tools for Artemis. So this is an exciting discussion, hopefully, about what sort of field geology tools will be effective for Artemis in various contexts. We've got a really exciting slate of speakers for today. This is going to be the first of two sessions in this topic, and there'll be more information about the second part of this, which will have solicited abstracts later on. Tim, did you want to say anything? I think you're muted.
Well, we've been doing this for 2 years. I was muted. Good morning, everyone. I wanted to just turn it very quickly over to Ryan Watkins, who I know had an introductory slide, and then we'll get going with the morning program.
Yeah, thanks, Tim. Sorry about that. I had my device settings all messed up. Are you all hearing me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, great. Well, I won't redo Jose's intro, but I'll just welcome you all again to I think this is the 16th LSSW. I just got a slide here just showing the past sessions we've had. You know, we've been doing this on an almost monthly cadence since May of 2020, back when COVID hit. And so we just, again, thank you for attending. We want to let you know that your input is very valuable for this session. And we're very much looking forward to kind of the results that come out of this. And if you don't already know, all of the reports and archives of talks from the past sessions are available on the website. You can see the link below on this slide. So please take a look at those and keep an eye out because we'll post them there for community comment as they become available. And that's where this session will be posted. So thank you, and I'll hand it back over to Tim and Jose.
Thank you, Ryan. Yeah, so like Ryan mentioned, like as with previous LSSWs, we will be putting together a report based off of the content and the input that we receive at this workshop. And so we hope this is as interactive as possible. We have a great series of invited talks, but I think a lot of the progress here is going to be in the Q&A sessions and in the breakout sessions at the end of the day that Jose mentioned. So we divided our program today into three sessions. In the morning, we'll have an introduction and overview going over, properties of the South Pole, scientific goals of Artemis, mission constraints and resources available for Artemis, and a summary of a previous LSSW, which was focused on scientific tools as well.